Video, we will be showing the proper setting up technique of an oxy-fuel torch, and then we will be showing the proper shutdown as well as cutting a straight line. So if you turn your attention first over here to the acetylene tank right here, you're going to first open it up about half a turn. Then you come over here and you'll adjust your needle valve right here marked by the F for the acetylene, and you'll just crack it open. You'll come over here and you adjust the needle, the regulator, to show 6 pounds on the left gauge. You want 6 pounds of flow pressure. And you'll repeat the process for the oxygen bottle, except for you open the oxygen bottle all the way. Make sure that this needle valve for the oxygen is turned on all the way, and then you adjust with this one right here, this needle valve. And you'll adjust till it shows about 21, 22 pounds. The next process that we're going to go through is lighting the torch. It's very important to have a good set of heavy-duty welding gloves on, as well as a Shade 5 protective lens, either like these safety glasses right here, or these cutting and welding goggles. So the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to crack open the fuel valve about a quarter turn. And then we're going to decrease, as in this case, and you're going to just put enough acetylene in there until it burns off all the black soot, but not so far that the flame is away from the torch. Then we're going to slowly apply in the oxygen into the flame and going towards a neutral flame. There's individual jets on the torch tip that you should be able to see, and they should be pencil-like. Then we're going to squeeze the trigger, and we're going to adjust again until we make sure that we have those pencil-like tips. So to cut a straight line, the very first thing that you're going to do is come in and hold the torch tip at 45 degrees to the metal, where there's about a little bit of slant in the direction that you want to cut. You're going to cut in the direction that you want to go, and you just want to come in and you want to heat the metal till it's cherry red, orange, and then you're going to add in the oxygen, and you're just going to push right there on the puddle. Always looking in the direction that you want to go and not where you're cutting, so that you can cut a nice even straight line. And it's important not to hold the torch tip too far away, because you get all them sloppy cuts. But if you'll hold just far enough off to where it doesn't stick, and just push on it about like that, you don't have to get in no hurry. And you've made a nice complete straight cut. Now on the shutdown of the cutting torch, you're going to first shut the fuel off. And then we're going to come over here, back to our bottles. Again, this is our oxygen bottle, and this is our acetylene bottle. And you just shut them off. And on the acetylene bottle, the reason why it was only turned on halfway is because it's designed to be fully operational and let the maximum gas flow through at just a half turn, and you never turn it on more than a half turn for emergency purposes, so you can shut it off real quick if you need to. So you just close it, come back over to the torch, and you're just going to bleed off the oxygen till the gauges up here on the oxygen show no more pressure. So we show no bottle pressure, and we show no line pressure. And we'll repeat the process again for the acetylene side. until they show no pressure. And we're going to shut all our valves. And then we'll come over here to the T-screws on the regulator. These being your T-screws. And you just want to back them off until you feel very little resistance. And then I turn them in just a little bit just to make sure you don't lose them. And again, you'll repeat the same process for the acetylene.